Holding up 200 hundreds, you can't see my face. How you get money and you can't buy your own place? I can buy 2 more cribs if I crack the safe. Ask my lawyer how I beat that home invasion case. Asked my Taylor and Zach about them 50 stacks. Bitch, we ran through the money like we running laps. Asked Crack about that 10 bands I snatched that week. I ain't have to pull a burner, that nigga was sweet. I ain't never had a job, my nigga. All I ever did was sell dope and rob these niggas. I was running up in cribs on some Malcolm X shit. Running out with guns and money like I robbed the bank, bitch. And you know I keep that lean like a drunk man. When they come to trickin', yeah, I'm like a stunt man. Tear that down when they come to beef, I'm on that hunt, man. Blow a nigga top like a blunt, man. All this fire on me, I should drop and raw. All this money on me, I can buy a hoe. Gotta keep the heater on me cause the streets cold. Can't go to work cause I'm busy getting this work sold. Chris Paul when I pull up. If you need that shit, I got it like pull-ups. Y'all niggas just rap about money. Me, I make it like Curry when I pull up. I change guns like I change clothes. So if you try to kill me, better tiptoe. Beef with me, move to another zip code. I'm pulling up on you like you a pumper, that's a no-go. Me and my bros don't fuck a pussy like fag niggas. Bum, get off your ass, rob something, I'll get a bag from his mama. Just told me she had a dream that the feds watch. Pops always told me to flush the work when the feds knocking. Ace be on the block with the stick and mask like a goalie. Running up on you, screaming what's in your pocket, call it being oldie. Chain fro like the people on the Titanic. Plus the diamonds all black like the Atlantic. So bitch cold, I'm on that ass like a beast towel. Her head good, I'ma make her my boo like an angry crowd. Hate to say I'm snitching cause I beat another jury trial. Call me Mayweather, every case to me is Pacquiao. All this fire on me, I should drop and raw. All this money on me, I can buy a hoe. Gotta keep the heater on me cause the streets cold. Can't go to work cause I'm busy getting this work sold. Chris Paul when I pull up. If you need that shit, I got it like pull-ups. Y'all niggas just rap about money. Me, I make it like Curry when I pull up. EBA Records, nigga. We in this bitch, beat killers, nigga. You know what it is. Punchline King, nigga. You know what it is.